So congratulations are 100% in order to the 2024 RJ Aglina Sports Foundation Sportsman of the Year, Roje Stona, and of course, the Sportswoman of the Year, Shanika Ricketts. There is absolutely no doubt that Stona, the Olympic gold medalist and record breaker, gave Jamaica its biggest moment in men's sport last year. Or that Ricketts, the Olympic triple jump silver medalist, was tops for the Jamaican women. No matter what the complaints or the controversy, in an Olympic year, an individual gold medalist and an individual silver medalist, where there is no gold, are gonna be your winners. And again, the people from the other sports, like the high-profile netballers and the big-time footballers, they are gonna be satisfied with nominations again, because 2025 is a world championship year. And if the track and field athletes get to the medal podium again, argument done again. Argument complete again.